So we have here our problem number 2 for the repeated linear factor. So first thing na gagawin natin is to find the factors of our denominator. So for the x squared minus 2x plus 1, we can make use of the calculator. And that's mode 5 and 3. So coefficient ng x squared is 1, coefficient ng x ay negative 2, and the constant is 1. And we have here x is equal to 1. So dalawang x is equal to 1. Meaning, since sinabi sa calculator that x is equal to 1, so dalawang x is equal to 1, that is x minus 1 and x minus 1. So we could say that this is equal to the integral of dx over x squared and x minus 1 square. So makikita natin dito that yung x ay repeated linear and x minus 1 is repeated linear. So meron tayong dalawang repeated linear na factors sa denominator natin. And by partial fraction, so alisin lang natin yung mga integral sign, and sa left side ng equation, we would have x squared times x squared minus 2x plus 1. This is equal to a over, so yung ginagawa natin, sabi ko kanina, uunahin natin yung higher degree. So that's x squared plus b over x. So stop na tayo pag raised to 1 na siya. So plus c over, dito na naman tayo, x minus 1 square plus d over, so minus 1 the exponent, x minus 1, and stop. So may apat tayong arbitrary constants na kailangan i-determine. So in order for us to find the arbitrary constants, we multiply everything by the value of our denominator, x squared times x squared minus 2x plus 1. So sa left side ng equation, we have here 1 and a times, since this is x squared, so matitira dito ay x minus 1 square. B, so x, may isang x pa, and x minus 1 square. Plus c, so cancel itong x minus 1 square, this is x square. And d, we have x square, and si x minus 1 ay matitirang isa, so x minus 1. And so since ito lang yung pag-asa natin, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1. So we substitute x is equal to 1. So when x is equal to 1 and we have 1 sa left side, lahat ng may x minus 1 ay magsi-0. So meaning ang matitira ay si cx squared na lang. So we have c1 square. So c is equal to 1. So may nasolve na tayong isa. And wala na tayong masasolve dito. So sinasabi ko sa previous na mga lectures natin that the most effective way in order for us to solve for the values of the arbitrary constant is to make use of the coefficient method. So we have, by coefficient, kailangan nating i-expand yung equations natin. So we have a sa right side, that is x squared minus 2x plus 1 plus b, everything to be multiplied by x. So sige, ipakita ko na lang. So x, expand muna natin to, that's x squared minus 2x plus 1 plus cx plus d multiplied by x cubed minus x squared. So simplifying further, and we will have a x squared minus 2x plus 1 plus b times x cubed minus 2x squared plus x plus, I'm sorry, nakalimutan yung square, c x squared plus d x cubed minus x squared. So by coefficient, for x cubed, so sa left side wala tayong nakikitang x cubed, and sa right side we have B, and we have D. So B and D, and that is our equation number 1. For x squared, we have 0 sa left side, and we have A here. Sa B, that's negative 2B. And we have C here. And we have negative D. That is our second equation. For x, 0 tayo sa left side, and that's negative 2A plus B. And dalawa lang naman sila, so wala na. And that's our third equation. For the constant, 1 sa left side na equation natin, and sa right side we have A, so meaning A is equal to 1. Ayan, so may nakuha na tayong dalawa. C is equal to 1 and A is equal to 1. So we can substitute the value of A and C dito sa mga equations natin. Wala naman tayong A and C, so remain lang to. That's B, D. Yan pa rin ang equation 1 natin. Ang C natin is 1, and yung A natin is 1, so that's positive 2. Lipat natin sa left side, that's negative 2. And we have here negative 2B minus D, and this is our equation 4. And for this, since we already have the value of A, so masosolve na natin dito yung B. And we have here, if A is 1, 0, negative 2 times 1 plus B, meaning the value B is equal to positive 2. So, i-box natin yung mga sagot natin. Ayan. So, kulang lang tayo ng isa. Ito, pwede natin gamitan ng calculator. But, since B is 2, so, dito makikita naman natin that using the equation 1, no? So, 0 is equal to 2 plus D. And we have D is equal to negative 2. So, gamitan natin ng calculator yung equation 1 and 4 in order for us to solve for B to confirm. So, mode 5, 1. And that's coefficient of B is 1, coefficient of D is 1, and we have 0 for the constant. Equation number 4, we have negative 2 and negative 1, and the constant is negative 2. And we have B is equal to 2 and D is equal to negative 2, and that's correct. So, substitute na natin dito. Yung C natin is 1. Okay, so babalik natin yung integral sign natin and the dx. And integral here and dx, integral dx, integral dx, integral dx. Ayan. So, substitute natin. Yung a natin is 1, so this is integral of dx over x squared. Plus, your b is positive 2, integral of dx over x. Ang c natin is positive 1, so plus dx over x minus 1 squared. And your d is negative 2, integral of dx over x minus 1. So, we have here, akit natin si x squared, so that's x to the negative 2 dx, plus 2, derivative of dx over x is ln x, plus integral of, akit natin si x minus 1 squared, that's negative 2, dx, minus 2, the integral of dx over x minus 1 is ln of x minus 1. And power formula, so n plus 1 over n plus 1, so that x to the negative 1 over negative 1, plus 2 ln of x, plus x minus 1 raised to negative 1 over negative 1, minus 2 ln of x minus 1 plus c. So, simplifying further, and we would have negative 1 over x plus 2 ln x minus 1 over x minus 1 minus 2 ln of x minus 1 plus c. So, simplifying further, and we would have, factor out natin si 2, and we would have here ln, yung positive, that's x, and the negative, that's x minus 1. So, by criss-cross multiplication, and we would have to denominator x minus 1, x minus 1 times negative 1, so that's negative x minus 1. And x times negative 1, so that's negative x plus c. And we have here 2 ln of x over x minus 1 plus negative x minus x, so that's negative 2x. And we have here positive 1 over x minus 1 plus c. So, factor out natin yung negative. We have 2 ln of x over x minus 1 minus 2x minus 1 over x times x minus 1 plus c. And this is our final answer.